how to do Facebook ads is one of the most essential skills you can have in order to grow your business online. And Facebook continues to be the best place to do targeting, so you could target your ideal customer, and then what you could do is run split testing in order to figure out what type of messages work best with them. Now, I never let my clients advertise anywhere else unless we've tested headlines, copy, images, photos, video, and basically any combination of using Facebook ads first. Hey everyone, my name is Trisha and I've been in marketing for over 20 years and now have a marketing agency where I help my customers gain traffic using Facebook ads. Through this course, you will learn about the various different types of Facebook ads, how to build your own ad, how to do retargeting, how to read ad results and do a full analysis, and a whole bunch of other tips and tricks that will help you get started as easy and as quickly as possible. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, sign up, and I will see you on the other side.